snowstorm. There were probably 3 or 4 inches on the ground yesterday, but it got warm today, so it's all gone. Yeah, they are expert diggers. Moose is starting a tunnel. Moose is a big boy, and that hole is getting deep. You watching, Raven? Hey. Well, if he starts digging close to the edge of the pen, I'll have to fill it in, because we don't want him to get in too much trouble, but... Here comes Raven. Oh, they're both digging now. Raven took over. What do you think, puppies? Come on. Come on, Moose. You in that hole now? Good boy. What do you say, Raven? Say hi, Raven. You're a good girl. Here comes, there they go. You digging, Moose? You're a good boy. Raven, you're gonna get covered in dirt. Thank you. Yeah, they are good-looking dogs. Right? You're a good girl. You sitting pretty, Raven? Moose is digging. Starting a new hole. What are you doing, buddy? You're getting dirty. This is Raven. Raven's the black one. Say hi, Raven. You're a good girl. Moose is red. He's got the orange harness. Raven has the purple harness. They're brother and sister. They're both 1.5 years old. Here he goes. Raven's the girl. Moose is the boy. What are you doing, buddy? You eating grass? Yeah, they're still puppies. They're really big, though. 100 pounds each. These Alaskan Malamutes are big dogs. You're a good girl.